Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company, Pupjoy, and their ProMax Privacy Screen Protector. I have both versions. I have the anti-spy one and just the regular. So let's go ahead and go over the unboxing. This is the privacy one. Okay, nice little rubber hanger there. Let's go ahead and pull the unboxing cord. Okay, we have, and this is a really neat, which I'll show you later on in the video, way of putting on a screen protector. We have the packet of alcohol, stuff like that inside. And then it's a little kit, and then inside they give you two screen protectors. One's already loaded into the kit on the right, and then this is the extra one. And as you can see, it's anti-privacy, which I don't put on. I'm going to put on the other one. I don't really like these kind, but for some people it's just personal preference. So we're gonna, that's the kit to put it on with, and that's just that's a filler in the back that actually has to come out. So this is the one now for the black, the unboxing. And this is just, they call it black, but what it is, it's got black sides. The actual glass is clear, which this one is the one I'll put on my iPhone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so that's what we're going to show. Okay, let's get this thing open here. Pop it open. It's going to look just like the previous one, except this one has black edges on the screen protector. And again, there's the packet, alcohol pads, stuff like that that you really don't even need. I don't even open it up. So here's the second one, and that's kind of why I wanted to do this video, just to show it. They call it black, but it has a black outside, which you don't even see, because that's the remainder of the phone, and the outside of the phone is that black part right there, so you don't even see it. Okay, so that piece comes out, and like I said, I'm going to show you here coming up how to actually do all of this. I have two videos. So this is primarily just the unboxing. And that's basically everything that comes in the kit. Okay, so let's install this. This is really neat and easy. So we put our phone on it. You want to put it on the right direction. Then what you do is you're squeezing the two tabs at the top. With my right hand, I'm squeezing the tabs. And you want to squeeze them pretty hard and then firmly just keep pulling. And what it's doing is it's cleaning off the screen right there while it's adhering the screen protector. So I just now push down and all the bubbles are coming out of it. It's really a pretty ingenious method of putting a screen protector on. It's flawless, and there's no bubbles, no dust, no dirt, no nothing underneath of them. So let's do a little bit about the item. It's super easy installation. With the amazing installation tools, which I honestly never used, you never need to have any dust. We never have to remove the dust yourself before installing the iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector. Just watch my installation video to install the protector. It has a 9H hardness tempered glass. It's made of premium 9H tempered glass. The phone 14 Pro Max privacy screen protector, which I have the first screen protector I did the unboxing on, can effectively protect your iPhone 14 from max drops, scratches, shocks, scuffs, etc. The iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector features ultra high resolution, definition, and transparency. It has the oleophobic coating, which eventually comes off from use. Their unique oleophobic nano coating makes the phone 14 Pro Max privacy screen protector effectively resistant to fingerprints, sweat, and smudge. Its bubble-free and precise laser cutting make the screen protector super easy to install. Case-friendly, the precision-designed coverage of the iPhone 14 Max protector will never disturb 99.9% of the iPhone cases. It doesn't touch the edges. And you have a worry-free. They will offer you a replacement if there's anything wrong with the iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector. They're fully responsible for every one of the products. I hope you've found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.